Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I finally got my Boxycharm by Ipsy. Finally got it, y'all. I did open it to make sure everything was okay because it has been, it should have been here probably 2 weeks ago, 10 days ago. So when but we've had bad weather, so it should have been delivered before the bad weather. But I'm not going to go into all that. That's the post office is doing. That's not Ipsy's fault. Post office had it. Let's move on. So with Ipsy, I have a link below if you'd like to sign up under me. You get some points, I get some points. This is $28. It may be $27.99, and then it's $1.99 for the handling fee. So it's essentially $30 for this box. And my box is valued at $193. I don't know if I think that they say that it'll be worth about 150 plus, I think. I'm not real sure. So this was the stuffing that was in there, which sort of concerned me, but that's how it always is, you know. And there is a brochure, and this little brochure gives you information about the month. And January is Glow Your Soul. Glow Your Soul. And then there's a thing you can scan to get to know your picks better. They send you emails that tell you about the products if you want to know how to use them or that kind of thing. They show the power picks in here, and I did receive 2 of these power picks, so I'm happy about that. They have clean beauty picks in here as well. So it's interesting, you know, it's some good information in here. You have to, if you want to know the value of your items and what they are, and know about them, you have to pay attention to that yourself. You can go online and look on their website, or you can look at your email. So I'm going to show you what they chose for me, the power picks. They call what they chose for me, what they choose for you, power picks. There's 2 items, and then you get to choose 3 items, and they're all full-size items. So the first thing they chose for me is Ren Clean Skincare. This is an excellent brand. This is the Glow Daily Vitamin C Gel Cream, and it's $54 value. It's 50 mLs. Of course, it's full size. Everything's full size. It's a moisturizer, and this is how it looks inside. Ren looks very medicinal to me. You know, something you get at the doctor's office kind of thing. It has a nice pump to it. I like things with pumps because you just don't accidentally spill it all over or anything like that. This is glass, and you can see the product in there. And I've had a few things by Ren, but I don't think I've had their vitamin C gel cream. Clean to skin, clean to planets. Illuminates and hydrates. So very nice. Very nice. That was their first pick for me. And their second pick for me, I'm also very happy about, is Rhode mascara. This is the XXL mascara. I want to say I've had this mascara before, and I like it. This is valued at $32. And you know, Rhodial, however you want to say it. I think it's pronounced Rhodial, I think. It's beautiful packaging. It's black with silver on it. It is a mascara. So what are you going to say about a mascara? I love mascaras. This has a nice curve. I'm not going to open it right now. If y'all saw my video of my mascaras just a few days ago, I have too many open. So this is for day or night, it says. And it's just, you know, it's just a bougie brand. And I like getting bougie brands. So I like that. It's waterproof. And I may end up keeping that for summertime since it's waterproof. That's probably what I'll do with it. And next are my choices. So my first choice, I had the choice of Laura Mercier, an eye stick. So it was an eyeshadow stick. Also, Iconic London black eyeliner. And I love the Iconic London mascara. Just recently found that out. So I was going to get the eyeliner, but I didn't. I decided not to pick that. There was a Penrose Rollerball perfume, Aceology. It was a berry mask, you know, like a mud mask. Aceology is excellent skincare. There was the brand Topicals. It was a slather body serum is what it was called. And then there was this. Seraphim Botanicals, and I really like Seraphim Botanicals. You know, this is the brand that they have a monthly bag where you get beautiful things. Their products are Korean, and they're very expensive. This is $55 value, and it's called Geranium and Glow. It's a blush and highlight palette, and the reason I got this really was because I have too many. I am going to get that eyeliner next time they offer it because I'd like to try it, but I have too many going right now. This is something that is beautiful to put in a giveaway or use as a gift. I don't need any more blushes right now or highlighters, but this is valued at $55. So that's why I got it. And I just really like the Seraphim Botanicals formulas that they use, and their packaging is stunning. If I could get this out of here, I may have to come back because I can't. Here we go. It's very nicely packaged. See, it has this cardboard around it, so it keeps it safe. Hopefully, you can see how beautiful the packaging is. Okay, so, and it's cruelty-free and all that good stuff. It has a mirror on one side, and it's really, really beautiful. Very, very pretty. Look at how pretty that is. I don't know, on camera, you know, I have the picture from Ipsy, and it looks like it does on camera. In person, it's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. These two are mattes, and these two have glitter in them. You know, just a mild glitter, so they're just, you know, give you a little bit of a shine. It's so, so pretty. So, so pretty. So that was my first choice. My second choice, hey Camille, go on through. My second choice, I wasn't too keen on what they offered me. There was the brand Sweet Chef, which I've had sheet masks from them before. Very, very nice sheet masks. But this was a hyaluronic serum, which I don't need right now. There was Game Beauty, and a 4-pack of eye brushes. And I got brushes in the next category, so I didn't choose that. There was Nabla brand. It was a black crayon eyeliner. And there was Balance Me AHA Glow Mask. She is really restless. And there was also the brand Feel. It had Feel Beauty. It was squalane oil. And this is half-caked. Super cute packaging. Again, could have been a Valentine thing, but it's January. Instant Crush Lip Gloss. So this, look at how cute that packaging is with the hearts on it. It looks like candy hearts. And let me open it. And she is just laying right here next to me and making lots of noise. I don't know why she's so restless. It has 2 lippies in it. They're lip glosses. And here they are. So this one has little sparkles in it. It's a very light lip gloss. I'm going to tighten it. It was a little loose there. And then this is, you cannot see how really beautiful this is. This is just, it's catching the light. It's just like snow. It looks like snow glistening. It's gorgeous. So it is, let me see if it tells us a little bit about these things. No. Okay. So let me see what the colors are. The pink one is called Mesmerize, and the crystal is just, the white is called Crystal Baller. So Mesmerize it's just super pretty. It looks sort of peachy. Yeah, I would say it is peachy. And then Crystal Baller is, like I said, it looks like snow. You know when the lights are hitting snow at night and the glistening? That's what it looks like. It's really very, very pretty. Very pretty. Value of $18. And then we have my next choice. I could choose Contact Skin, a double lip pencil. So it was one pencil, but it was double-ended. And I have so many lip pencils that I hardly use. There was Trust Fun Beauty, a beautiful highlighter. Farrah brand primer, which I don't use. There was Real Her, a setting spray, I don't use. And I do have these things, and I use, I don't really use a primer at all, ever. A setting spray I'll use once in a while. And there was the brand Pink Lips, hadn't heard of them before, a contour stick. So it looked like, sort of like this. This is a highlighter from ABH. and it looked like this, but it was a contour, so it was dark, you know, do your contour and all. So I chose these brushes because they were just so beautiful. They're by Wing Me, and it's in a little Ziploc. I don't know that I'll use them. $34 value. There's 3, and oh my goodness, challenging. I'm gonna not touch the brushes, but I want you to see the handles because they're gorgeous. I'm just gonna squeeze them out of here. This has a nice plastic cover, which is nice. These are, I don't think you can see them. They're clear. I can see through them, but look at all that fabulous opalescence going on there. They're gorgeous. I may keep them. Look at that pretty. That has, I love a good angle brush like that. And this one is just a fuller head. And then this one is, oh, this is neat. It has the white tips, but it has a little bit of a slant to it. Can you see that? I just put my hand, I'm trying to put my hand there. I don't think you can really see it against the dark, but very nice. They're just, the handles are stunning, but they're plastic, and they're hollow is what they look like, but I can't tell. Very, very pretty. And those are valued at $34. And I also got an add-on, not an add-on. I used some points, and what did I do with that, with my information on this? So Ipsy says this is a full size. When I look up the price of it, it's about $28, depends where you're looking, maybe $28 to $30. This is 100 mLs, and it comes in different sizes. So this is just one size. What it is a volume blow dry spray. And I believe I got this for 1,200 points from Ipsy. I think it was 1,200 points. And it's really heavy, and you know, it's a metal can, and I always like to try things for volume. So that I did not add to the price of my bag. So I got the Ren Clean Skincare Moisturizer Vitamin C. We got the Wing Me brushes. Can you see how gorgeous those are? See, they're gorgeous. We got the Instant Crush Half Baked lip glosses. We got the Rodial mascara in XXL, waterproof. This one's waterproof. Well, it doesn't say that on it. It said it somewhere. It says it on Ipsy, but it doesn't say it on the packaging. So I don't know if that's true. And this gorgeous Seraphine Botanicals Geranium and Glow blush and highlight. And what I'm wearing, I am in winter clothing. This is like a sweatshirty, a thin sweatshirt kind of a thing, and I've been frozen. So I went for a summer look. I went for a light, springy, light sort of look. Just in the mood for that. So what I have on my eyes is the ColourPop Limoncello. I love this palette. It's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. And why not wear it in the wintertime? This is it. Just gorgeous, gorgeous neutrals and pops of color there. And then I have this lippy on. This is by Pat McGrath. And this is called, it's a lip gloss, and it dries down pretty good. It is Nude Awakening, and it is Liquid Lust, I think is what, Liquid Lust lipstick. And I'll tell you, this doe foot just fit my lips perfectly. It's really nice. The applicator is really nice. It is not your average doe foot. And it's got so much stuff on it, I don't know if you can see. It's got a little bit of a shape to it that's different. Thank you for Camille for getting right in the way again. So y'all, thank you so much for stopping by and seeing my rather late Boxycharm. Y'all take care and count your blessings. I hope you're safe and warm where you are. This is it for us. This is it. It's going to be almost 70 on Wednesday, I think. So go figure. That's how it is here. That's our regular weather this time of year is 50s and 40s. So, and if it's going to be 70, it's going to be raining and it's going to be maybe stormy. So hopefully that won't happen. I did forget to tell you that I have on my new YC Collection Gorgeous Eyeliner. This is stunning, stunning. I've had that on all day, and it has stayed all day. And I have weepy eyes, so I really like this. I just got this in my Ipsy glam bag. Take care, y'all, and count your blessings.